How to look at deleted messages on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find your deleted messages on Instagram. So as you guys know, if you delete messages on Instagram, there is no way to recover it by default from your inbox section. But there is another way that you can recover your messages from your Instagram DMs. So the very first thing that you want to do is head over to your profile section. And on your profile section, you are just going to tap on the hamburger menu to open up your settings. Now, just head over to your account center. Before we go any further, I want you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's continue. Now, from here you can see under your account settings, you have your information and permissions. Just tap on the settings and you have an option to download your information. So as you can see here, I've previously requested a download as well. So if you want to download your information, just tap on download. Now you're just going to choose Instagram. If you want to download your Facebook's information as well, that's fine, but I'm just going to do Instagram for now. And you actually have two options available here. That is, if you want to download all of your information, which includes all of your media, photos, videos, your chat history and everything, then you're going to choose all available information. But I'm going to choose specified information because I don't need anything else. And now here you have different options like your avatar store, checkouts, comments, events, fundraisers and everything. So if you just scroll down, you will see the option for messages. So just select the messages option and tap on next. Now I'm just going to download it to my device. Make sure that you enter a correct email here so that it will notify you, and tap on create files. Now once you do that, here in progress, as you can see, you will get it will take few days to download or for your information to be ready. And after your information is ready, you will see something like this to download. You can just tap on this download option to download your information. That is all for this video. I will catch you on the next one.